the senior presidential advisor in charge of land affairs, Sam Engola, donates essentials to the 1-month-old twins, whose mother has no breast milk from the day she gave birth. Grace Alyao, resident of Agulu-two village, Alebere Parish, Itek Sub County in Lira district, gave birth to twin boys on the 5th of March 2024 at Barr HCIII. Since then, she had no breast milk for her 2 and some sons. She decried lack of money to buy fresh dairy milk, which makes them feed their 1-month-old babies with water. Honorable Sam Engola came to their rescue, giving them 1 big tin of powdered milk, basins, bedsheets, shop sugar, feeding bottles, clothes, among other essentials. And he pledged his continuous support to the family.
So my shell man do you kadong you marman Rio for bedo ka shell no doctor ni fi nyango no beno ko bi do ngeti yuru ke la na je de bele aya jabul melo ko jamigi ene ukale to de dange matu meme de buda ene kere cha bune lo ko jamigi ene de dongo giloki ene betli wodi chamula mara kwa ngedu kita ngare jeli chene mene chamula kwa ngedu jami wonu kan mando kat ma yusu bini ngore makabe de chami ko ya ni ngora ta
For Alao News Channel, Ambrose Okwanga, Itek Sub County, Lira District.